In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the address in AnyDesk using a simple reset method on Windows. This is a quick fix if you want AnyDesk to generate a fresh local configuration, and it only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's jump right in. First, you need to close AnyDesk completely. Don't just minimize it or close the window, because the app may still be running in the background. Look down near the clock in your system tray and find the AnyDesk icon. Right-click that icon, then click Quit. After that, wait a few seconds to make sure AnyDesk is fully closed before moving on. Next, open the AnyDesk data folder. To do that, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the box, type %program data % AnyDesk, then press Enter. Windows will open the AnyDesk data folder for you. This folder contains local files that AnyDesk uses on your computer. Now, inside this folder, look for the configuration file called Service.Conf. This file stores local configuration information for your AnyDesk installation, and removing it can help AnyDesk create a fresh setup the next time it opens. Once you find Service.Conf, right-click it and click Delete. If Windows asks for permission, confirm the deletion so the file can be removed. Be careful here and make sure you are deleting the correct file. After that, restart AnyDesk. Open the app again and allow it to load completely. Because the configuration file was removed, AnyDesk will automatically create a new one. In many cases, this is what helps refresh the local address or reset the stored configuration on the machine. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the address in AnyDesk by closing the app, deleting the local configuration file, and restarting it so a new setup can be created. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.